In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up alarms on an iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and 15 Plus. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Clock app. You may try to find Clock app on your home screens. However, if you can't find it, you can head over to the app library. Just swipe to the very right screen where we can easily find Clock app here. However, we can also use search. In this way, we can easily find Clock app, and once we get into it, we'll be able to configure an alarm by tapping at that plus. That's where first off we need to choose the time in which our alarm will ring. Also, we can select if we would like to repeat this alarm. By default, it is always set to never. However, if we get into it, we'll be able to configure this alarm to ring, let's say, every weekday in this way. Also, we can label it. And then in here we can change the sound. In that simple way. Also in here down below we can turn on or off snooze option, and then to save the alarm just hit add save, and basically here it is now in this list, and it will ring at that time until this button turned on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.